see clearly, cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
You mean you can get me a good consignment with very good features? Look, Johnny, don't worry about cost. Just make sure it is the best quality. Look, Johnny, I'll call you back, okay? I'll call you back. Couldn't you just wait for me to finish this call?
Daddy, you talk too long on your phone and I'm in a hurry.
Always a word ahead. Eh? What can I do for you, my dearly?
Daddy, I'm leaving for school. Daddy, this is barely enough for my transportation back to Sun City. Moreover, I have several books to buy, handouts to photocopy. Look, I'm a woman, I have needs.
Didn't you just hear me inquiring about a consignment? Eh? Look, I have an important business coming up, and it's all about money.
Daddy, this is too small. Look, it's too small.
What about your mother?
She left for her 4-day crusade.
I believe I'm done with you here. Just go back to school and call me during the week, okay? Things might change.
Me if I go and learn, if I go and learn.
Place your lamp on the table for us to see. Sun City, Sun City. Let your light shine on every land and sea. Sun City.
Denizens of Sun City, the royal ladies of Yasanto are doing it again. It's the 46th Hall Week of the Premier Ladies. The grand dinner is this Friday. A dinner dance for the finest ladies.
Finally, the event of the year.
It's just another opportunity for those damn foreign students to show off. What's the point anyway? They always carry the show.
Not this year if I can help it. We'll see who's who. They should bring it on.
Come off it, sweetie Gakpo. You don't intend pitching against those daughters of oil-rich merchants, do you? Daughters of
Those Lagos girls might have sources, but trust me, sweetie Gakpo, to have our own source too.
If only I had sources, I'll be there in full bloom.
Erama, maybe you are not trying hard enough. You are not aware of what you are worth. The possibilities are endless. You never know.
What do you mean by that?
Let's put things into perspective. Use what you have to get what you want.
Charlie, you know this chick way she DJ for 3.
You mean?
She be some way, I detest her. Why? She give you to the Rumble Squad eh?
Last time she gathered in panties give a whole me, I could see, say make a watch give him.
So how much you charge for him? Choke belle. Choke belle. Hey, you fool, Papa. You be belle like that. You've been watching this girl's panties.
Wait, make her talk. I tell him say I no go do.
Like he forgets himself. You know, say she gathered for me before.
Eh?
Oh, some kind yellow, blue, red kind of nibi panties he be. I dog gam, we have fire for the room, sir.
No, but this girl, see, boys them appeal to self, man know the wash. How much more you this girl way you they see? You know be everything they talk say. See, this be the baby, the D, the man.
This be the country if I not get money, like I not go handle. This be real thing.
No, Papa, this one you know they are league crowd.
Yeah, you could say, you know, because this girl champion premiership way, you they play coats, you they go where.
But this one, these girls they want money,
And the boys they holla. Look, these girls, they date for the highest bidder. That be why be only the sugar daddies they fear afford. You don't know?
No, but you save campus wise the fee buy units.
No.
Wait, okay, fine. School fees save the fee pay.
Share for the
See, okay, last one. What about Amani sunglasses?
Oh, which kind of thing? Amani
sunglasses.
Ogba.
What do you go to school for?
Ogba. Charlie, but this kind girl, obviously she can't go so no, you see.
You can't what Tipadi do me the last time.
So what? This time I no go look more. Drop by me, I dey go.
But the phone no beauty farm. What for go carry the farm?
Charlie, go fast.
No fears, my man. I will deliver. Upgrade, my man. Look, the finest we've seen in a while. And no complications. None at all. What? Oh, look, don't you trust me anymore?
I do. You know you've always been my main supplier. But tell me, what of this pre-financing required?
Oh, don't fret, my man. Look, I have enough bait for the two of us.
You still are as bad as ever.
But not half as bad as you. All right. Charlie, catch you. I'll see you then.
See, I think this should make 17,500.
Why your head die so? You no go primary.
Oh, if no be 17,500, then be what?
See, this be 15,500 cedis. Pepe.
A big already.
Yes, sir.
She thought today.
Yes, sir.
Then we no get problem. What we said that is then.
Yeah, Renam.
The moon go buy.
We go buy the fish. What we go take boat ride go host tomorrow?
So you know that thing where they ask of fish?
Yes, come in. Oh, this is Jimmy Aquaba.
Is anything wrong?
Can I have a word with you?
Sure. What is the problem?
I'm in a bit of a fix.
What kind of fix there? Spit it out, Your boo's got your back, you know what I'm saying?
My mom ain't home and my dad let me down. So I'm a little cash strapped. Can you bail me out?
Hi, John. Yes, this is sweet darling sweetness. Very happy. The appearances are wonderful. They have the DVD player. Of course we do. Johnny, I'm not sure, but I'll try. I will not let you down. Okay, Johnny, I have to go now. It is fine by me. Okay, sweet. Bye. Just the one I've been waiting for.
Waiting for me?
Don't aggravate my problem. I'm
will rather go and reduce them.
And where from all these appliances?
Johnny, my ace. He got all these for me. He's such a darling.
All this with no strings attached?
What's the worst that could possibly happen?
Earlier this semester.
Come of it. Every venture has its risk. If you play your cards right, all is well. Listen, it's not any different. Sugar daddies are just boyfriends with bigger wallets. Tell me, when was the last time your lover boy Jimmy came to your aid? Guess what? I've got a link for you tonight.
Me? Who is he?
One of Johnny's loaded friends. Anyway, cut the small talk. We have to go to the salon right away.
Sun City, Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City.
You remind me of my prime. I used to dress to mesmerize my boyfriend. When we go on dates, young love, there is nothing like it.
It's not exactly so, man. It's now the case of the young and the restless.
What do you mean, my daughter?
Older men are now in vogue.
You mean you date older men?
They cannot say us.
They could be married.
What if we don't ask for weddings or for rings?
How would you feel if somebody snatches your husband?
I'll keep an eagle's grip on my man that nobody can snatch me.
But you wouldn't look your prime forever.
There's a lot more in pleasing a man than what goes on in the bedroom. The earlier women sink that into their craniums, the better their chances of retaining their men.
You seem to know it all.
Yes, I do. I abode in the four walls of Sun City University, citadel of illumination, microcosm of the world.
I wonder what the lectures teach you. I've swim the river.
Hello, Johnny.
Hello, sweetie.
Very eager, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
The usual base?
Sure.
Give us 15 minutes. We'll be there in no time.
Your friend is with you.
Sure. You know I deliver on my word.
That's my girl. All right.
Bye. Don't worry. You'll be checked.
Wow. So what excuse did you give to Holden this time around?
Lucky me, she's not at home. One of those her things again.
You're a lucky man.
Yes.
If only my old hen will find herself something doing and get out of my way.
You told a lie, didn't you?
I had to tell that old board meeting lie, Charlie. Look, one thing, she doesn't even seem to care anymore.
Oh, well, is that it?
It'll be too rampant.
Are you sure the goods will arrive?
Don't sweat it, man.
You are sure?
Why?
Why
The
trust
goods
me?
will arrive soon.
By all means.
My friend.
I can't wait. But City. I need to visit the Lou. Where can I find it? Joy?
Yeah, just turn the corner.
Okay. I'll do it.
Right.
Hi, Johnny.
Hello, sweetheart. Sweet heavens! That's right. Please. Sit down. Sit down. Kudos. Show you. She's damn pretty.
But isn't this supposed to be a foursome?
Yes, he's going to the gent. He'll join us soon. Sweetheart. This is yours. Hey, Blake! They are here.